So what is Bitcoin? Why is it on my Twitter feed, my Instagram feed? Why is it on Facebook? Why is it everyone talking about it? Simply put, Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency which allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need of a bank or anyone else in between. When Bitcoin started in 2009 by someone called Satoshi blah blah blah, it was worth literally nothing. You can probably get 1,000, 1 million Bitcoin for less than £10. But now, for the same amount, for £1,000, $1,000, you can probably only get 1/30th of a Bitcoin. Why is this? How do you get Bitcoins? And how am I going to be rich over the next few days with Bitcoin? It's easy. What you have to do is you have to mine Bitcoin. You're probably thinking, what? How do I mine Bitcoin? All you have to do is get one pickaxe, go to your back garden and start mining. And then eventually, maybe after a couple hours, maybe a few days, you'll run to a Bitcoin, take it out of the ground, now you have a Bitcoin. And the fact that there's only 21 million Bitcoin in the world that can be mined, and we're almost there, just over 18 million Bitcoins mined, it is becoming really, really expensive and really, really hard to mine those Bitcoins. So if you got Bitcoins in your garden, keep them and don't sell them. Okay, so here we are on Coinbase. Look at my account, 12p, you know how we step. Anyway, Bitcoin, oh, what the hell, look at the price. It's gonna reach £30,000, you know. Okay, yeah, might as well put some money into it. Let's press on trade. And then buy. What? What's this? Coinbase, man, come on. Respect the hustle, man. Yo guys, it's your boy Mohammed, back again with another video. And what we're going to be talking about today is Bitcoin, like you saw in the intro. And we're pretty much going to talk about why is Bitcoin growing so much? Why is everyone talking about it in your Twitter newsfeed, your Instagram newsfeed, Facebook, everywhere, wherever you look, is Bitcoin or Donald Trump. And I just want to say, Donald Trump got banned on Twitter and Facebook. But anyway, we're going to get over why Bitcoin's going up so much recently, what this could mean for future investments, what you could do right now to benefit from Bitcoin as well. And before the video starts, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the big question is, why is Bitcoin going up so much and how can I make money off it? So the last time Bitcoin peaked this much, or not at least this much, the last time Bitcoin peaked was back in 2017 when it almost reached $20,000 and just fell straight back down. And now over the last year, Bitcoin's gone from $4,000 to almost $40,000. Now overall, since Bitcoin's birth till now, it's gone up by almost 9 million %. 9 million % means for every pound you put in, you're gonna get 90,000 pounds back. You know how crazy that is? What my sources told me, and by the way, I'm proud to say I'm sponsored by Market Watch, got in the description and you're gonna find their links. I only wish that was true, man. Listen, if you're watching the video, sponsor me right now. But anyway, pretty much one of the largest investment banks in the world, JP Morgan, predict that Bitcoin can reach almost 446,000 in the near future. That is over 3 times what it is worth right now. And why do they think this? Why do they think Bitcoin can go up so much? And the main reason is actually because they're replacing gold as a security. So over the past few years, even more, gold has been used as a security fund where people just put their money and let it grow over time. Gold has always seen a steady growth in its price. And now, because of the coronavirus and stuff, gold has started to fluctuate a lot more than what it used to. And people are trying to find a new place to put their money securely and wait for it to grow. I don't know why people think it's a good idea to replace that with Bitcoin. On this graph, however, you can see gold and Bitcoin actually diverging when 3 billion inflow of Bitcoin is going in, while 7 billion in outflow is going out of gold ETFs. That means over the past few months, we've seen a 3.4 times increase in the risk capital going into Bitcoin. Now, honestly, I don't know who thought of this. I don't know why they think putting that much money into Bitcoin is a good idea. But imagine it all falls down. Imagine your one Bitcoin, $40,000, goes to $10,000. Now what are you gonna do? Anyway, so why is this? It's probably mainly because that banks have started printing out so much money just to try to recover from the recent pandemic and the economic crisis that pandemic has caused. And this has caused people to look for a decentralized exchange where they can put their money safely and wait for it to grow. Now, another reason Bitcoin's probably raising up so much is because of PayPal. And what PayPal have done is actually they've recently let people buy and sell Bitcoin and exchange it through their system. Such a large company such as PayPal bringing light to Bitcoin is probably another reason that people are buying into it and investing into it. Just want to mention one more thing, and it was speculated that happened back in 2017 as well when the price almost reached 20,000, and that is price manipulation. So what is price manipulation? Simply put, price manipulation is when one company buys so much of a certain stock or asset and causes the price of it to rise, to exponentially just keep rising. And then so many people start jumping on the wave of the investment. So many people start investing in Bitcoin, for example, right now. And what that company tries to do is catch off all those people jumping on the wave by selling all their assets. And then as soon as all that price goes down, the company makes that profit, and then everyone else is caught on the back end losing their money and just going crazy. A final reason that Bitcoin is probably going up so much that I want to discuss right now is probably because Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency trading platform right now, Coinbase just introduced that they want to go public with a valuation of $20 to $50 billion. So this probably means that them going public is bringing more light to Bitcoin and causing people to buy, and pushing the price up as well. So what does this mean for you? What does this mean for me? And how do we make money off it? Now it's actually simple. All you have to do is go on Coinbase, put some money into Bitcoin, and boom, you're on the trend, you're on the wave. But anyone can tell you put your money in Bitcoin right now, it's gonna go up to 100,000, it's gonna go up to 200,000, it's gonna go up to 500,000. But the truth is, no one knows what Bitcoin is gonna do. No one actually knows if Bitcoin is gonna go up this much or if it's gonna drop down to zero. So the reason people actually putting all their money into Bitcoin right now is so they can beat this. People want to beat the inflation and the growth of this. But the truth is, this £10 note is going to be £10 tomorrow. It's going to be £10 for the next 10 days. It's going to be £10 for the next 20 days. This is not going to change anytime soon. It's not like the currency is going to crash all of a sudden. Unless everyone dies from the virus, that's the only way this is going to go down to nothing. But in reality, Bitcoin can literally go up tomorrow to 50,000, 100,000, and it can crash the next day down to nothing, just like that. So is it really safe investing all your money into Bitcoin? How do you know that Bitcoin's going to keep going up? And that's the thing, no one does. But if you look at historical data, you can see that every time Bitcoin peaked, it dropped. And following that drop, it actually peaked again and reached new highs. If you keep following this data, it just means that Bitcoin's going to carry on going up. And even if it drops, then it's just going to go probably explode back to 100,000 this time or something like that. And one way I can suggest investing right now in Bitcoin is not just by dumping all your money into it right now. It's actually by doing something called dollar cost averaging. What that means is you pretty much invest $100, $500, whatever, every single week on repeat, automated, so you don't have to watch it, you don't have to do it yourself, and it just removes all the anxiety. Long story short, what I would suggest right now is investing in Bitcoin, but just be careful, don't risk everything you have, just risk maybe 3% to 10% of your account. Putting all your money in one basket is not the right thing to do, and it should never be the right thing to do, because when that fox comes to play, all your money is gone.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom.
But anyway, if you guys found this video helpful, just tell me what you guys are going to do below. If you're going to wait, if you're going to buy right now, just tell me in the comment section below. I want to find out more. And tell me how I can get rid of this restriction on my account, because I was going to put money into Bitcoin, but for some reason I'm restricted. Coinbase, come on, man. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, you guys already know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's it.